Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga to my secretary. So let me begin with this. I'm not a politician. Speaking in front of cameras is not something that I'm most comfortable with. Nakaugalian po namin ni Sec Vince at nakasanayan na nasa kalsada kami, nasa lansangan. Kung saan pwede kaming mag-inspeksyon ng ating mga paliparan, ng ating mga pantalan, reels ng tren, stasyon ng tren, ng ating mga road infra projects, tulad ng busway, Cebu BRT, Davao, at kung saan maaari ka namin makasalamuha at makausap ng mga commuters. Sapagkat naniniwala kami ni Sec Vince, dito nangyayari ang tunay na trabaho. If there's something I want the people to think of me as an acting secretary, it is simply I acted. Kaya sasamantalahin ko na po ngayon ang pagkakataon upang makapagpasalamat akong personal kay Secretary Vince. Nabanggit ko na to kay Sec Vince at uulitin ko po. Isa pong biyaya na nakilala ko siya at higit sa lahat, isa pong tunay na karangalan na nakatrabaho siya. Sec Vince kind of leadership sets the gold standard that every secretary should follow in every department. I repeat, the gold standard. Ang dami ko pong natutunan kay Secretary Vince. Pero may dalawang bagay na nangingibabaw. Una, ang interes at kapakanan ng commuter ang inuuna. Kung gusto po talaga nating solusyonan at tugunan ang problema ng mga commuter, kailangan natin lumabas sa ating opisina. We have to go out in the field, see the problem, and fix it in real time. Pangalawa, accountability, ang pananagutan. Sec Vince showed me that accountability saves lives. Kailangan natin kastiguhin at panagutin ang mga abusadong operators. Kailangan natin kastiguhin at panagutin ang mga barumbadong driver, ang mga bastos na pasahero. Higit sa lahat, kailangan natin panagutin ang mga corrupt na opisyal ay waling kawani ng departamento. For us in Sec Vince, this should be non-negotiable. I repeat, these are non-negotiable. Ito po ang pamantayan ni Secretary Vince na ipagpatuloy kong sundin. This is the standard that I will continue to follow. Bilang isa sa kanyang undersecretary, nakasama po ako ni Sec Vince sa pag-inspeksyon ng mga proyekto, sa mga dialogo, sa mga stakeholders, at minsan paglulunsad ng mga proyektong makabuluhan tulad ng nagabas. Pero aking napansin at sinabi din naman sa akin ni Sec Vince, ang tunay na sukutan ng pamumuno ay hindi lamang sa talumpati, kundi ang pagpapakita ng presensya kung saan nararamdaman natin ang tunay na problema at ang agarang pagresolba nito. Now, the responsibility falls on me to continue the mission that Secretary Vince started. My previous designations and positions in the Department of Transportation have always been focused on action and implementation. Service roles that demanded concrete results. At umaasa po ako na sana ang aking karanasan sa Department of Transportation ay maging sapat na basehan upang naman mapanatag ang inyong kalooban na kakayanin kong ipagpatuloy kung anuman sinumulan ni Secretary Vince. At isa rin ito sa mga kautusan ng ating Pangulo when I took my oath. He directed me to ensure continuity, to push through with the projects in the deadlines as set for the Secretary Vince, if not earlier. He asked me and Secretary Vince to provide solutions to everyday problems that the commuters face. And I assure you that the Department of Transportation will continue to follow that mandate. lastly, again, under pain of being redundant, I don't want to be known as a politician. I just want to be known as someone who gets things done. I cannot be Secretary Vince, how I wish I am. But I assure you that I will apply whatever he taught me every day as his apprentice, and I will follow his culture, values, and ways of doing things. Because at the end of the day, we both believe that our mission is simply to save Filipinos time so that they can spend more of it with their families and friends. Ito lang po ang aming sukatan, batayan at pamantayan para maging matagumpay sa aming adhikain. Salamat po ng maraming salamat.
Secretary Bassett.